want the same thing I got last night. It was mango and milk. Do you remember? Mango and milk. Yes. Mango milk shake. Shukran. 20, right? 20. Perfect. 1 second. Starting my day with mango shake, man. I haven't had anything. It's like, I don't even know what the time is, 1 or 2. No sugar, no sugar. Mango and milk.
Next time.
Yeah, thank you. So usually you got these for 10 dirhams. Even as low as 5 dirhams. Some of these places. Oh, there is 5 dirham. There we go. Mango juice for about $1.50. $1. So Bollywood is popular here. Shah Rukh Khan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Wherever you go, Bollywood is pumping, bro. Nice, bro. You watch, huh? You watch Bollywood movies? You watch, huh? You understand? No. You understand Hindi or no?
Small.
थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है? हाँ, good.
शुक्रिया मेरे दोस्ती जिंदगी
Pakistan.
नमस्ते
India.
India. Shah Rukh Khan, Kareena
Hey,
Kapoor.
same guy.
Sadhu Kiri Salan.
Hey, very nice, very nice. Shukran. You sing, huh? Sarkar.
Dek Shidalu. Dek Bibalu. Henry Salan.
Hey. Hey, those, hey, Oh, thank you very much. Shukran. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh no, he did put sugar in mine. I said no sugar. Mango is enough. All right, I'll take it. What's going on, brother? Hello. Okay to take photo? Record? Okay. Cool. I am looking for.
Did you follow to our page?
Yes. No, not yet. I've got the saved, but not yet. I'm after this. Let me show you.
We have.
You have?
Yeah.
Can I see? So this one here, and also something like this.
That one I don't.
Don't have? Okay. Can I see this one? Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so you've got all these here. Smaller. Even smaller. Just a small for women. Something like this. See this over there? That size. Small size. Oh, okay. Even smaller. For a woman, you know? Maybe
So it will be good.
just for like one phone? Yeah, that sort of size, yes. Yep, this one's okay too. So this one here. What else do you have here? Can I see? Okay, I'll take a photo. Okay, and
Even we have same color in different design.
yeah. Can I also see this one, the middle one? black one, huh? Ooh, this one's not that bad. Very nice. Do you have something soft like?
Like that one.
Yeah, this
is
one's
soft.
soft. Yeah.
I have more softer than that one.
I like this one here. Can I check this?
The middle one. Middle one.
Just one, this one here. I want to replace this. Okay.
We have this kind also. This kind of leather is very soft. In different colors, different
Oh, this is very soft.
black,
Okay.
beige, brown. I have this style.
This one's too much.
I have that style. It is just coming.
Oh, it's too big,
yesterday.
too big, too big, too big.
I have
This
that
is
one.
nice.
Wow, very nice. Soft. And you have in green, black, beige, different color. There is lovely green. There is green. There is one black.
Cool. This is actually soft leather, very soft leather compared to the ones we
This
saw.
kind of leather we use for jacket.
Oh, really? I see. Okay, okay. Let me take a few photos and continue this video.